Elementary teachers, let's grow food gardens with your class in 2024. No, not what you're into, scroll by. But if you do know the value of such an amazing project for you and your students, and your brain's still saying no, it might be because of one of these myths. Let's bust some myths. Maybe you think you need to be an expert grower to do this. Maybe you think such a project would be way too time consuming. Maybe you think you need an outdoor school garden for this. And maybe you think this would be a very expensive project. And since your school doesn't have that much money, you think it's impossible to do. Let's go through these one by one. Let's bust the first myth. You think you need to be an expert to do this. I've been growing school gardens with thousands of students and hundreds of teachers in the past decade. One thing I know for sure is that growing food gardens with students is much more about teaching than it is about gardening. The gardening aspects of it is much easier than you think, and you do not need to have any experience. If you bring an expert grower from outside of your school into your classroom, they're not going to be able to do it because it's about education. The best person on the planet to educate your kids right now is you. All you need to know is where to start, and at every step of the way, what's the next step to take. Go get registered into my free 60-minute webinar in which I give you all the steps, step by step, with all the handouts and practical details. It's called School Gardens with Ease 2024. Go grab your spot.